my channel. Today we're going to be doing a really quick office tour. I haven't done one of these and I almost want to say a couple years. So let's go ahead and get started. And I don't even know what I just did with my hands. So let's go ahead and get the ball rolling, and I'll show you my office and what I've done recently with it. And let me grab my little kitty cat real quick. Let me get you. Let me get you. And here's Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Anyways, I had to add her in the video because she's just so cute and I'm rather boring. So let's go ahead and get started. Over here is my desk. This is just my monitor. It's actually just a TV screen, and this is my iPad over here. I created kind of like a vision board. I grabbed some images off of like a booklet of from Amazon. Over here is just some Pilates socks and Pilates reformer. I kind of hurt my knee a little bit, and I've been trying to stretch it out and create a little bit more flexibility and strengthen it a little bit. And here is Zoe. Zoe doesn't really know what she's doing. She thinks she wants to get on this little walking pad, but she never does. And over here is my gallery wall. On my gallery wall, I just created some little images and printed them out of, well, I didn't really create them. I just printed them out off of Google, and I put them in these inexpensive frames with, I guess, just those like kind of sticky things you put on the wall so they don't hurt the wall. This is just some extra stuff on my desk. I have a Mac Mini. I'm really enjoying it. I didn't even really know what it was at first, but it is a lot of fun. This is just a little bit of decoration right here with some flowers. My dad gave me that bottle right there, that little water bottle. This is an overview of the whole room. It is a rather large room, and I'm really liking it a lot. There's Cosmo. Cosmo decided he's gonna make an appearance with his tail. But that is pretty much my office at the moment, and of course I have an Alani. I had to research on how to do an office tour video. That's a different view of the room from my actual desk. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you try to get some sleep. If you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day, it is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not